Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is going to be about the power of the Object Manager, or in later versions of Corel, Windows, Dockers, and it's just called Objects. It used to be called Object Manager. As you can see, I've got 5 ellipses in different colors. They're solid, but they're in order. Uh, the bottom layer is always going to be on that, and the top layer. So if I take that red ellipse and put it between here, you can't see it because it's below the blue one. Move the blue one out of the way and you can grab it. But what the video is really about tonight, instead of trying to, if this was real thin and hard to select, you can select the ellipse and go right here and right click your mouse button, and it's going to put a cut line around that object. You can't really even see it. It's so thin, but if we move that out of the way, well, if we take away the fill, then there's the cut line. So you can add and change from your object manager without even touching your object. So if we want to put, let's say we want to put a line, well, that would be easiest enough here. Just go here and then right click in white, and we're going to put a line around all of them that you could see in white. But you could do the same thing from your object manager. If you will select that, hold down your shift key and select that, you've selected them all, and then we can put a white outline around it. I always draw in hairline, so it's always a hairline. So the objects or object manager, you ought to start learning how to use it because it's really helpful. Now, in this case, it's not that big a deal, but if we take all these and hit L on the keyboard and put them to the left, that's not trying to show off what I'm trying to show. But if we take the green ellipse and put it up here, then the green's on top and you can't see everything else. So you can change your order of your product or your object instead of taking that and go to object, order, back of page. And a lot of time, some of these other ones might be in the back of page and you might have to do that. Even like I use the yellow box trick a lot. I'm going to make that box yellow. So now you see I got a rectangle, but it's on the top of the layer. So instead of going, to object, order, back of page, I can just grab that rectangle and move it down here, and it'll put it to the back of the page. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.